Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 6.4 question number 7. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. You see this is 90 degree. 90 degree. AB is 6 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter. Find AC. First we'll solve question number 7a. According to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square plus perpendicular square. Yes, in this triangle ABC, this is AC is hypotenuse, AB is base, and BC is the perpendicular. Therefore, hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, we can write AC square is equal to base is BC, base is AB, AB square plus perpendicular is BC, AB square plus BC square. So we find the value of AB as 6 centimeter. That is, it is 6 square plus BC. BC is 8 square. That means 6 is a 36 and 8 is a 64. We add this number 36 with 64. We are getting 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, it is 0. 6 plus 7 plus 3, 10, 100. That is equal to 100. Or therefore, AC is equal to square root of 100. That can be written as square root of 10 into 10 into 10. And we know that root 10 into root 10 is 10. That is 10 centimeter. Therefore, the value of AC is equal to 10 centimeter. And that is the answer. Right? Now we solve question number B. In question number B, it is given that angle B is 90 degree and AC is 13. We will drop this one. Here you see in question number B, it is given that AC is 13 centimeter. This is AC. This is 13 centimeter. And BC is given 5 centimeter. We have to find the value of AB. Let us find. Here again, we are writing in the same way. Here you see, we are rubbing this one, and it get here. Here see. Here you see. Right? We are rubbing this one. Now you see this one, that hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square, that is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. You have to find the value of AB. Therefore, we can write AB square is equal to AB square is equal to AC square, AC square minus BC square minus BC square. That is equal to AC. The value of AC is 13. That is 13 square minus the value of BC is 5 square. 5 square. 13 square is 169 minus 5 into 5 is 25. Therefore, we are getting 169 minus 25. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. That is 144. Therefore, AB square is equal to 144. 144. Or the value of AB is equal to square root of 144 is square root of 144. Or you can write 144 equal to 12 into 12. And it is root 12 into root 12 is 12 centimeter. Therefore, the value of AB is equal to 12 centimeter, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.